How to download Castle App TV on your Android device. This is how you can simply do it. Follow the steps till the end of the video. Step 1 is simply click on the Play Store to check if that app is available on the Play Store or not. Simply click on the search and search for Castle App TV right here on your search bar in the Play Store of your mobile phone. Search it. As you can see, there is no app available like that here in my country especially. So we will simply have to download it from an outsource media platform, that is your Google Chrome. You simply have to download it from an outside browser or anything. So for this, click on the main homepage screen of your device here and try to find the Google Chrome here available on handset. Let me just click the Google Chrome from here. When you will open it, you're going to see this type of search bar in the top of the screen. Click on the search bar and search for Castle App TV app download. You simply have to search the way I'm typing here, Castle app for TV. Click on this and then scroll down to the second website called Castle app download. There is a version number for Android. Click on the first website or second website you see for that. Scroll down. You will see a blue option to download now here. Click on this option right here. And your download will be started in about 10 seconds. Don't click the green icon above, that is an ad. You simply have to click on the blue button here. And yes, you can see the download is ready for on my device. So I can simply click on the download anyway option to download the file. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.